Another news, the Central Organization of Trade Unions, KOTU, has welcomed the ruling by the Employment and Labor Relations Court in Mombasa that ruled in favor of casual workers outsourced by employment companies in the country. KOTU boss Francis Atwoli says that the ruling paves way for such workers to join their preferred union and subscribe to a collective bargaining agreement, CBA, that will ensure they are remunerated appropriately.
The 38-page ruling by Lady Justice Monica Mbaru, which was brought by the Kenya Plantation and Agriculture Workers Union, will see workers in industries and companies not taken advantage of and discriminated against.
Employers and those who are involved, because we have so many agencies, private companies that have hired people that they use them as merchandise, as slave trade to whoever wants to hire them. And then they are underpaid. You find that somebody who comes to your enterprise or he has been employed where you are working, you are doing the same job, the same education you have, and this person is paid a half of what you are getting.
KOTU boss Francis Atwoli says that the ruling paves way for the labourers to join their preferred unions and subscribe to a collective bargaining agreement that will ensure they are paid appropriately to better their lives.
These people will now be allowed to join a union of their own choice, and two, they would be paid as per the collective bargaining agreement existing where they are hired to work. That is the biggest achievement.
Atwoli says that KOTU will forward the ruling and their further recommendations to the Labour Ministry to ensure it is forwarded to Parliament for further enforcement to protect the thousands of workers in this sector.
This outsourced person should also, if not a member of any trade union, be allowed to subscribe to an agency fee so that they can equally enjoy terms and conditions of service of that particular enterprise. There shall be no discrimination of any kind between the permanent employee and this outsourced person from where they are working.
Atwoli also defended the union from remarks attributed by the Linda Mwananchi political faction that it has failed to protect workers from taxation.
So many Kenyans are benefited out of that particular 12% general wage increase and 15% minimum wage in agriculture, total of 27%. Is that a dead trade union? Not doing it.
Abdiaziz Hashim for Lunchtime News.